welcome back to my channel. So today's video is inspired by Hitomi. I think that is how you pronounce her name. She did a video where she dressed and styled as all her alter egos, and when I saw that I was like, that is such a great idea. I just have so many alter egos, but mainly more of like style alter egos and like style personas. Literally yesterday I was dressed in all pink head to toe. I looked like a 90s or 2000s pop princess, and today I'm wearing all black and I'm like wearing a harness and a cross earring. I just look like a little grunge kid. And then tomorrow I'm gonna get my nails done, so I'm gonna be looking like a baddie with my nails done and my hair did and like just... So I thought it would be fun to dress all of my style personas in one video. To recreate my looks, I'm going to be using clothes that I thrifted recently, so it's going to be kind of like a mini thrift haul. I'm going to be using secondhand clothes from my recent ThredUp order, as well as thrift finds from my trips to New York and Hawaii, because I also went thrifting there. So as I mentioned before, I also got some things at ThredUp, and if you guys are unfamiliar with them, they are the largest online thrift store in the whole entire universe, and they offer some of your favorite brands for up to 90% off. If you feel like thrifting isn't that great around your area, then definitely check out ThredUp. I feel like it's a great option, especially for those that don't really have good thrifting options around them. I am also a very avid thrifter. I thrift a lot to a point where it is very unhealthy, and I should only do it maybe once a month. I am the type of thrifter that has to look through every single aisle, every single hanger, just to make sure that I'm finding the best item in the store, and because of that, I usually spend about 3 to 4 hours average at one thrift store. I do not have time to thrift for 3-4 hours. So one of my favorite features of ThredUp is shopping by your size. So all you have to do is set your size settings. You could set your clothing size, you could set your shoe size, and with just one click you guys could sort through thousands of clothes on ThredUp. And that's such a plus for me because some thrift stores don't even sort by their sizes, and I'm like, why not? And like I said before, if thrift stores aren't really good in your area, ThredUp is online, so you guys could do it anywhere, on your couch, on your bed, at midnight, 6 in the morning. I don't know why anyone would be shopping and thrifting at 6 in the morning, but you never know. And with all the savings that you're gonna save by shopping on ThredUp, they're also giving my viewers a 30% off code for your first order. All you have to do is click the link in my description box and then use the code AlexaJ for money off your order. I really do truly love thrifting, and I love that more and more people are starting to be more mindful about shopping secondhand and being more sustainable about how they shop. So definitely check them out, and without further ado, I have so many alter egos, you guys know that. So with that being said, here it is, all my alter egos in one video. So the first outfit pretty much describes what a lot of people usually see me in, which is the color pink, because it is my favorite color. That is basically my whole aesthetic on YouTube and Instagram and basically my life. Just think very Legally Blonde and Mean Girls, and then you basically have that part of me. I just got this top. It's newly thrifted from ThredUp. It's a Ralph Lauren knit top. This one I got for $20, and the estimated retail price was actually $95. I just love that it totally fits with this vibe and this specific style. So this is outfit 2. Personality and style is like very cute, very princessy, just whatever you think pink is. Very shy, very cute, very like, oh my god, stop. But I mean, even though you look innocent, you could still fight a girl if she tries to steal your man. Cute, but not too cute. I mean, my belt says nasty, so you can't even be too innocent. This skirt is also from ThredUp. It's actually an Urban Outfitters skirt, and it actually is like basically brand new. I barely just took the tag off right before I filmed this. This one was going for $49 retail price, and on ThredUp I got it for only $14. So besides all the pink and all the girliness and all the mini skirts, I do also wear boy clothes from time to time. I just find it somewhat comforting to be drowning in men's clothes. This is a Stacey shirt that I got when I was in Hawaii a week ago, and these pants are actually thrifted from the little boy section. I love it so much, one, because boy clothes sometimes are a lot cheaper than women's clothes, and the waist fits me perfectly, and it's great for short people. Sometimes I dress like Barbie, and on the other days I dress as if I'm her little brother in junior high. This is a style I just recently got into, and it's a little bit more of a preppy schoolgirl look. I think I'm gonna experiment more of this side of me. What do you guys think? Do we like it? Do we like this side of Nava Rose? Yes No. This is actually a Marc Jacobs blazer that I got on thredUP as well, and it was only $12. So the estimated retail price on this blazer is $428, which is such a big price drop that I am still in shock. I got really lucky with this one, so I feel like I'm going to be wearing it a lot this fall. Next, we have this outfit, which I call my Instagram baddie little ego. This is probably one of my top 3 Nava Rose personas. Very like bad bitch, very cunty, very sassy. Like, I just got my nails done. I wear bralettes and bikini tops as regular tops. Always finding an opportunity to stick my butt out. Very long straight hair. This look is very common in LA, which is probably one of the reasons why I'm always dressed like this. Even though I look like I would steal your man, I definitely would not. I respect everyone's relationship. I also got a bug bite on my boob from Hawaii, so don't judge me please in the comments. So this is just another version of that Instagram baddie look. So I have the crop top, the baggy jeans, and the sneakers. I want to show you guys these Champion shorts though. So I got these on thredUP. These are actually women's workout shorts, and I just folded over the waistband because it has that really cool Champion logo, and I'm using it as an accent over my jeans. These are estimated to retail for about $15, and I got them for $7. This outfit expresses the blogger style side of me. I do love mixing masculine and feminine pieces, so a lot of times I'll wear lingerie with a big baggy pair of jeans or a blazer, and every time I think of that style I automatically think blogger because a lot of bloggers wear blazers. I don't really know why I always put those two things together, but it just happens. They wear a lot of neutrals, they do a lot of layering. I actually thrifted both of these two pieces in New York, so I thought it would be fun to pair the two together with some chucks and a white t-shirt. So I would consider the little blogger personality in me to be more of like an experimental styler when it comes to outfits. So for this next look, I call this my Urban Outfitter girl look. I don't really have an exact term of what to call this style that I like to wear, but every time I do dress like this, I feel like I'm walking out of an Urban Outfitters ad. So I actually do own quite a number of plaid and flower print dresses that have this A-line shape. Think of dresses that you would normally wear at a picnic. But for some reason, I just really like pairing them with Doc Martens and really edgy boots. I can never put these dresses in a nice little innocent outfit. I always just have to throw a little grunge to it. And I know the store that does that a lot is Urban Outfitters, so that's why I call this my Urban Outfitters girl look. She is definitely eco-friendly, probably shoots film, loves the earth, probably composts, probably has a bunch of gemstones by her bedside. And I'm totally not making fun if that completely describes you, because that is totally me as well if you guys didn't know. This dress could be so innocent if I just took off the jacket, maybe put on some like nice white sneakers, put my hair in a bun, but it looks like I'm gonna go to the mall and spend $100 on just 2 t-shirts, so. And with this talk of Urban Outfitters, this dress is actually from Urban Outfitters that I got on thredUP. I got this dress for $12 and the estimated retail price is $60. Now this one is the most retro one out of the bunch, I guess you can say. So I have this thing for oversized 80s, really loud, kind of obnoxious vintage jackets. I love having that as its own accent because it's just so fun. So these two pieces are actually secondhand. This romper surprisingly was my mom's that I stole from her, and this jacket I thrifted in New York. It's so 80s and I love it so much. I honestly feel like I could be a part of the Evangelistas. You know, work. Yes. Any Pose fans out there, or just me? Maybe just me, okay. And last but not least, we have my Grunge Alter-Ego. This is probably the one that I drift to the most out of my top 3 personas. Maybe because I always liked this style when I was younger. Now that I'm an adult, I can dress myself and my parents won't think that I'm worshipping the devil or anything like that. Asian parents. But yeah, the wig is kind of also unnecessary, but I love this wig. She's a little bit of a mess today, but it's okay. I never really knew what to call this style. I always just called it grunge, but I noticed that a lot of K-fashion people were wearing it, so I started calling it K-fashion, but I guess now in this day and age, it's called being an e-girl. Someone help me out because I don't know. It doesn't really match my personality, but I dress like this the most often. I feel like if strangers saw me, they would probably think that I had a poster in my room that said, I only wear black and my soul is black and I hate everyone and blah 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 blah. But my heart is really filled with love and pink and glitter and BTS. So yeah, you guys, this is all my alter egos. I'm taking out this wig now, it's so hot. Alright guys, so those were all my alter ego styles, I guess you could say. Honestly, it's like the movie Split, but with different fashion styles instead. I feel like I should give all my style alter egos a name. Comment down below what you guys think my alter ego name should be. And don't forget to check out ThreadUp and use my code AlexaJ for 30% off your first order. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at the Nava Rose. That's it for my video. I love you guys all so very much, and until the next one, bye!